Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin out of pipe cleaners. Let's get started. What you'll need is 2 same and 1 different pipe cleaners. Then you'll need a pencil, and googly eyes are optional. First you're going to take 2 pipe cleaners and then attach them. Then you'll take a pencil, then you'll wrap it around it. Then you'll take it out. Then you're gonna get the different color pipe cleaner. Put it through, then you're gonna bend it, and then with the longer end, you are going to make it go through to the middle. Then you're gonna pull it, and then you have a circle. Then with the long end of the pipe cleaner, first you're going to twist it to make the stem, of course. Then you're going to make little leaves. You can make 2 or 3. There you go. Now our pumpkin's ready to put googly eyes on. Here we go, our cute little pumpkin. This pumpkin can be used for decoration for Halloween. Now this little cute tiger has a quiz for us. Do you think pumpkins are a fruit or a vegetable? Like if you think it's a fruit, or subscribe if you think it's a vegetable. Bye, see you next time.